And so for lunch, we're headed to Katy's own Asian Town, a shopping center full of flavors usually found a hemisphere away. But I'm here to experience a true cultural mashup that originated in Houston, Viet-Cajun, Vietnamese food with a swampy spin. And this is Yummy's Seafood and Oyster Bar, run by local lover of all good food, Tyler Tran.
All right, Tyler, I'm excited. What is this?
So this is our traditional Gulf oysters that Vietnamese people grow up to eat.
Okay.
A little bit of olive oil, green onions, and peanuts, topped off with a little Cajun powder, so a little bit of twist. How's it?
That's great, dude.
And then you gotta twist it off with a little cheers.
You got a flair on this one too?
A miso drink, then we add a little bit of fish sauce to give it a little tang.
I ain't arguing with that, dude. That's great.
The thing with Asian culture is we just like to sauce everything up a little bit, right? And
Why not?
Why not? There's not much into this. It's very simple. Fresh seafood, consistently, and that's it. And that's what we do. And that's all we do.
But this is not your typical Cajun crawfish boil, because after they're cooked, Yummy tosses the crawfish, shells and all, in a baptism of butter, garlic, and what they call Yummy Delight.
So how you boil it and how you time it is the most perfect thing.
So what's the point of putting sauce all over the outside?
It's just an extra aphrodisiac, I'm assuming.
I guess so.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Let's just say it definitely gets the juices flowing.
Tyler, I think a lot of people would be surprised that there's an Asia town out here in Katy.
When this opened, Katy didn't have much of an Asian culture. They opened the shopping center, I was surprised. And then next you know, boom, boom, boom. And this whole place opened up, and I always encourage the customers to try everything that's around this area. Every place is great here.
Hey, thank you, man.
No problem.
So if you're not into buttery, delicious Mudbugs, the menu is filled with other items. But I came here with a purpose.
Here it is, buddy. Oh, so this is what Tyler told me to do. Just sort of toss it around. If I eat this, I will weigh 20 pounds heavier today.
Well, you're only eating the meat.
Most of it's shell, right? Oh. But I am gonna take off my jacket. And maybe my shirt too. Y'all don't mind, do you?
You probably shouldn't have worn white.
Crack the neck. Crawfish is a commitment. We got a little bit of andouille sausage in there. And Tyler said, you want an egg? It's Asian food. You got to put an egg in it. So. Slam dunk, baby. And you see all the good stuff on my fingers? It's familiar, yet it's not, because nobody in Cajun country puts this much sauce and butter on the outside. This is for Tyler and all my boys back home in Southeast Texas. Juicy Cajun Kool-Aid coming out of it. I love finding these little pockets. This is more than just a little lunch, right? It's a cultural experience. Take a little lunch and leave Texas for a little while. At least what most people think of Texas.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.